This is my Miracle bike check. Start off with the back. I got a ramp pack rim, Shadow Conspiracy white walls, Shadow Conspiracy pegs with peg case, purple half-length chain, purple Shadow Conspiracy sprocket, purple duo pedals, stock cranks, stock seat, stock post, Miracle frame, Shadow Conspiracy grips, some bars my friend gave me, stock stem, Shadow tires, Cinema purple front rim with purple hub, black spokes, same Shadow Conspiracy peg front, stock forks, and that's about it. Thanks for watching, subscribe, like, show your friends, see ya.